Morning, everybody. This is DJax from Alpha Cybersecurity, and I wanted to just hop on here real quick just to show you how to uh, turn off the setting to make sure LinkedIn isn't using your data for their AI tools. So it appears that LinkedIn is now training their generative AI tools, which is fine. Um, Full disclosure, I am a LinkedIn learning instructor, which is why you see this on the screen right now. But I believe in the security of people's data, so that always comes first. So anyway, it appears LinkedIn has secretly enrolled all of their U.S. users into their generative AI training program. And what that means is that your content is now going to be used to improve their AI model, and they did this without your consent. So this might not be a big deal to most people, but if you are a content creator or you create any type of original work, so music, photography, videography, um, if you're an artist, um, and you post all of that on LinkedIn, LinkedIn is going to use that as input to train their AI models. Um, and we know that AI is a cool tool, is a great assistant for certain things and certain tasks, but there are some ethics issues around AI, including musicians having to um, go to court because people have been using AI to mimic their voices and create music. Um, you think back to the strike in Hollywood. Part of the issue that they were fighting for was the Hollywood studios wanting to scan them and put it in their AI models so that they could use their likeness when they were doing their films, and the artists weren't going to get paid for it, or the actors or actresses weren't going to get paid for it. Artists are having issues with their artwork, or their work just being essentially plagiarized by some of these AI models. So if you want to protect that, I'm going to show you real quick how to change that setting in LinkedIn. So you go to your LinkedIn page, and on the top right here where you see your profile picture, you can go down to settings and privacy, and then about the fourth one down, you'll see data privacy, and then there's a section that says how LinkedIn uses your data. And the very last one is data for generative AI improvement. Now, as you can see, I already turned mine off, but you can see right here, you could just hit this toggle switch and turn it off. But if you just look at it, it says, can LinkedIn and its affiliates use your personal data and content you create on LinkedIn to train generative AI models that create content? And then it says this setting controls the training of generative AI models used to create content. When this setting is on, LinkedIn and its affiliates may use your personal data and content you create on LinkedIn for that purpose. Now, I'm pretty sure in a recent update, or maybe the latest terms of use, this was somewhere hidden in the fine print, but I don't think it was cool that they just, turned this on for all of their users and didn't even so much as, give them a heads up. And if you're wondering why it only happened to the US users instead of like their users internationally, like the EU, well, the EU has something like GDPR, which would protect them from that. And if they did use it and there was in the EU, um, they would have a lot of explaining to do. So that's it for this video. I didn't want to be on too long. I just wanted to show you how to turn that off. Again, if you want to leave it on and you want to help LinkedIn and their affiliates train their AI to create content, that's fine. But if you're a content creator, it's my opinion and my recommendation that you should probably turn this off. So that's it. Once again, it's DJax. Until next time, y'all, be safe.